Hi guys, how are you? Happy today. It's a gorgeous sunny January day and I'm so happy to be creating today. It's definitely one of those days that I woke up and I knew it was a creative day. So here I am. I have my little peacock chair out. I wanted to do some product photography actually for my lovely new venture. If you haven't noticed, or if you don't follow me on social media, I have started a new online store with all beautiful dried florals and art pieces that eventually we're going to be collaborating with other artists, creating one-of-a-kind and very unique pieces. So check it out. It's called Lilo Collective. LILO collective.com. So I wanted to do some photography for the Moroccan blankets that I have, which I have actually brought from Morocco. I only have very few of them. So I wanted to use my peacock chair and I wanted to build some sort of an installation on my pedestal. So I just thought I'll video it for you guys while I'm doing it. So I hope you enjoy it. To be honest, I'm still trying to think about how I want to do this in my head, but let's see what shows up. Okay, I have a chicken wire that I usually hang it from the ceiling, but I want to see how can I sort of rework it with my little pedestal here. So I already have the wire attached, so I'm going to see if I can attach it to the stand here. Here it is. It turned out to be bigger than what I was expecting, but I love it. It looks so cute. I just wanted to work with very, very minimal elements, couple elements. I had a lot of gold Plumosa over the Christmas, so I wanted to reuse those. And then I had the pampas grass, just the leftover from another installation that I made. It is super simple, but it does have a huge impact what I want. So just placing my chair, obviously the Plumosa and the pampas grass are super messy, but you know, if it's just going to be a station situation, we'll do a little vacuum down there. So let me just get my blanket. Okay, so here's the Moroccan blanket. And you know what? I love these. These are so stunning. They're handmade, and just gonna place them here on the edge and have the tassels to come out and the pom-poms, just to make it a little bit more fun with the other pieces from Lilo. I can hang this here just to add a little bit more in terms of product. I'm probably gonna put a little cushion there to make it a more styled situation, but this is kind of the dealio. It's a little bit boho. That's the whole vibe of the website for now, and I am pretty excited about it. So please check it out, Lila Collective. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you learned something from building an installation like this, and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I love you, and I'm very, very grateful for your presence and for your support and love on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would be a great just joy for me. I'm very grateful for that. Let me know if you want to see anything more, like, comment, and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Love you.